So, first, a little background. This is not the first time I'm working with prosthetics, but it is the first for which I can actually film a tutorial. Some other cosplays were created before I decided to make this new channel, so those will be more showcases than tutorials. I did want to create a ball cap effect, but the thing is, I'm not a fan of spending on disposable makeup items, especially since my resources are limited as a university student abroad. I wanted to make an all-purpose ball cap without spending too much, literally just the top of a big balloon colored peach, but it ended up being unrealistic and too much trouble, so I thought, hey, Orlok wears a hat, I can just hide my hair like that. The pointy ears were also out of the question because I couldn't find anything realistic in a store, but that can be overlooked because they're not as exaggerated as people think. Please note that I am a very busy man with limited resources, so don't expect me to fulfill character requests on the regular. As a student, much of my work will likely be done in the summer or December, so if you want to give me requests for a character to cosplay as, it'll need to be minimalistic and within reason. I'll be much more likely to take requests for dinosaur props, because those are easier and take up a majority of my interest. So without further ado, let's get to the tutorial. I hope you've all enjoyed this tutorial. Yeah, I know it's not my best work, but I haven't done prosthetics in a while as of the making of this video. Feel free to leave suggestions for new cosplays in the comments, but as I've said, don't expect me to follow through on all of them. You can also catch some tutorials for some of my dinosaur-related props by clicking the icons on your screen. Thanks for watching.